What, yeah? You're late again.
Listen, I know.
You know we have to go there for dinner. You know Sam has been calling us from a long time.
I know, listen, I tried
You always do this. एक दिन तुम्हें जल्दी आने के लिए बोला, उसमें भी.
Listen, I'm also very tired. I tried getting as soon as possible. But क्या करूँ? It's my job. It's not a joke, na?
Ho. I work too. But I reach in time.
Yeah, I know. But see, your work and my work are two different things, okay?
Really?
Achha, chalo, let's just get
I
ready,
wish you could be in my shoes. At least for once.
Whoa! Huh?
What the hell?
This is me!
You, me, you.
I know!
How?
I don't know! I don't know, but this
What
is
the hell is this?
I don't know, but this is all your fault!
What did you do?
I didn't do anything! Okay. I didn't do anything, but we are still going for Sam's dinner!
No! Are you crazy?
We are going! God. Get ready fast, we have to leave.
How can you wear this?
Wow, you only know how to take it off, don't you?
How's this?
What are you wearing? You're gonna make me look like a kid! Oh!
Now what's wrong in this?
What's wrong? Huh? You know what? I'm gonna wear this one.
अरे?
सारी परेशानियां मुझे ही सहनी पड़ती है. हटो!
Whatever.
Here, are you happy now I'm wearing your shirt? And listen, you need to put some makeup.
नहीं.
Really?
Shit.
Let's do this my way. And don't move.
Stop poking my eyes.
Stop moving. And those are my eyes, by the way. Okay. There you go.
Go.
I look fabulous.
You almost poked my eyes.
Good for you.
Hi! Oh my God!
Oh my God! I just have so much to talk to you about.
What's up, dude?
So, how come you guys are late? You were gonna be here at 7 and it's already 9?
Don't ask. As usual.
Hey, by the way, have you seen that IPL match?
No, yeah. Didn't get time. So much of work. I didn't.
Stop it.
How's work?
You know what? I need to tell you something.
What's up?
What are you doing these
You
days?
find that thing that you taught me? With Sam? You know that thing? And he loves it.
What? You?
You? You were the one who told me that you tried that with Abhimanyu.
What? Ria, I mean, I told you that.
Whatever
Yeah.
else we can. Hey, you know that hot chick Priya?
Who?
Priya, the one whose face we can't make it, but everything else we can.
Ew! What is wrong with you? Seriously? Phew.
Yes, sir.
Stop it!
They both are really weird today.
I know.
Stop it now!
Are you guys okay?
Oh, why? Because I'm being too annoying or childish? Huh, you know, someone's ought to be very lucky to have me, by the way. Despite the fact they're so fat and disgusting.
Oh, sweetheart, I think I'm the luckiest one.
Oh, really?
Oh gosh, you don't have to put me for being so chatty and bitchy over every little thing.
Chatty and bitchy? Is that what you think of me? You stupid!
I think you're overreacting.
That's my favorite dress!
Gosh.
You did that on purpose, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
I hate you! I hate him!
I don't understand. Why we keep fighting?
Hey, are you alright, bro?
I don't know why is he like that with me. I don't know what have I done.
You mean she, right? Whoa, you've been doing something crazy all the time, man.
Nothing to worry, babe. Couples fight. Okay?
What have I been doing?
You've been doing overtime to save up.
Save up?
You've been saving up, right? You've been working hard for months to buy that ring.
Really?
Yeah.
And come on, 2 days ago, you told me how happy you are with him.
I did?
Yeah, you even told me how caring he is, how sweet, how romantic, how perfect he is for you.
Really?
And also, he was the one.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Look, I'm really sorry. I've been really busy with work. I know. Actually, I should be spending more time with you.
Don't. No. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to understand. It's all my fault. It's just that you were never at home and you know how I get. I love you. I really love you.
I love you too.
Oh, so sweet of that.
Yeah. You know, baby, I wish we could be in their shoes.
Whoa!